Oh, hey! What is going on? Welcome to Campbell's Coins. Wait, I'm doing so well. Thank you so much for asking. So, gold coins. You may have seen some gold coins in bars. They have different shades of gold to them. Some are more yellow, some are more orange. But what does that mean? Is one fake while the other one's real? We'll go over all of that and more coming up. Pre-1933 gold coins, Canadian gold maple leafs, American gold eagles, gold Krugerrands. You can all put these up against one another and you'll notice that they're all slightly different shades of orange and yellow. What's going on here? Are they fake? Is something wrong with the metal? Assuming your gold coin is real, there are a number of explanations for the reason of the color change. A gold Canadian leaf is 4/9 fine pure gold. Pre-1933 US gold coins contain 90% gold and 10% copper. American gold eagles are also 4/9 fine gold, but they have other metals like silver and copper mixed into the gold to make the coin more durable. Now I just want to point out exactly what you have in front of you. Starting off on the left, we have an 1893 $5 Liberty head. Next we have a 1999 gold maple leaf. This is a 1/4 ounce. Second from the right is a 1908 no motto $10 Indian head. And then finally on the end we have a 1/10 of an ounce American gold eagle. Right here in front of us we have a 1928 $2.50 1/4 Indian, and you're going to find out why I have all this in front of you. But as you can see, there is slight color change from every coin. The 4/9 fine pure gold coin, the maple leaf, is a more yellowish tinge, while the two 90% gold and 10% copper coins have, well, a more copper tone to them. And then finally on the end we have an uncirculated 1/10 of an ounce American gold eagle, and that is also a slightly different color from the pure gold 1/4 ounce Canadian maple leaf. And if you kind of want some proof into this whole matter, find a similar size coin of like an American gold eagle and a Perth Mint gold coin or a Canadian maple leaf of the same size and weigh them. So right here I have, let's see if it'll focus. So on the left I have a Perth Mint Australian Kookaburra. This is the 2020. It's a brand new coin, came out last December 2019. And then on the right I have a 1/10 of an ounce American gold eagle. You can see that the American gold eagle has a bigger diameter just by looking at it. This isn't the cases making it seem smaller, it's a bigger coin. And if you were to weigh these two coins, you'll find that the American gold eagle has more weight to it than the Australian Kookaburra. Why is that? That's because there's additional metals in here. Both of these coins have the same weight of gold in them. This one has a 1/10 of an ounce of gold, this one has a 1/10 of an ounce of gold. But the American gold eagle just has silver and copper mixed into it to make it more durable, and that those additional metals make it bigger, and they make it, as I've said before, more durable. And you can also see a color difference. I'm trying to get both of these in the light so they can focus, but the Kookaburra has a more yellowish tinge to it, and the American gold eagle has a reddish orange tinge to it, and that's the copper that is mixed in with the coin. And that is the reason why these coins all have different tints to them is because some of them are pure gold and contain no other metals, and others, like the 1893 and the 1908, they have 10% copper mixed in, and that added metal is going to change the color, the tint of the coin compared to the pure gold version. Now we also see extra metals being placed into jewelry, and it's for the same reason they put them into the gold coins. Jewelry is rarely made with 24 karat gold, and 24 karat gold is 3/9 fine gold and is pure gold. That's because gold is such a soft metal and is prone to damage in pure gold form. When it comes to jewelry and obviously some gold coins, alloys are mixed in with the gold to strengthen it. 14 karat gold contains 58% gold. 18 karat gold contains 75%. And 22 karat contains 91% gold. Pre-1933 US gold coins are essentially 22 carats because they have 90% gold in them. If all newly produced government coins were all minted 4/9 fine gold and contained no other base metals, they would all be the same color and they would all weigh the same no matter the shape or the thickness. You wouldn't have any color variations. Again, since some coins have other metals mixed in, these added metals give the gold a different tint. They also increase the size of the coin, whether it's the diameter or the thickness, compared to the similar weight solid gold coin. On a similar topic, and to add some confusion, some gold coins or bars may have trace metals on the surface. This is that dreaded red spot one can see on a gold coin or bar. On some coins, you may see red spots coming through, as you can see on this $2.50 quarter eagle. Do you see on the headdress there? It's a very bright copper spot. They call them copper spots or red spots. And even though it is called a copper spot, it doesn't necessarily mean it is copper. To really throw you off, there can be a pure gold coin or bar with red spots. Many believe red spots on pure gold coins to mean the coin or the bar is counterfeit. And I thought this myself at one point, until I was proven wrong on this topic. And being proven wrong on this topic is what drove me to write and create this episode to share with you, because I didn't want to have further misinformation spread on it. Red spots are ultimately caused by tarnishing / oxidization, and pure gold does not tarnish. A popular myth amongst coin forums is that the coin or bar must be fake or fraudulent. These spots are not an indicator it's fake or mixed with copper, only that there is surface contamination. When these pure gold coins / bars are minted, they are struck in facilities that handle other coins and metals. Any type of metallic dust that lands on these coins or bars can cause red spots, especially if the coin is struck and then enclosed in plastic, so the contaminant cannot escape. This is why one sees red spots more on Chinese gold pandas and US gold buffaloes, because both of these coins are struck and then enclosed in airtight plastic. In the case with coins mixed with copper, like in the American Gold Eagles, pre-33 gold, or the Krugerrands, there is a slight tendency for the metals with a higher melting point to begin to crystallize first, which can lead to smaller localized pockets of metal with a higher or lower concentration of elements. Around these small pockets, red spots can sometimes appear. And that is exactly what we have when it comes to pre-33 gold. This is a Pamp Suisse 100 gram 4/9 fine gold bar. You think, oh, there shouldn't be any issue. Well, there's a red spot there. So there's some surface contamination on the back of this gold bar, and that's what causes it to, there's a spot right there. So here and there. So the surface contamination is what causes these red spots. I've seen it on very large bars of gold as well. And this is why it is so important to have your precious metals tested. When in doubt, have it checked out. I mean, at a minimum, when testing gold, one should be using a precious metals analyzer like a Sigma. You can take it to a coin shop and have them check to see if it's fake. They might charge you for it, but it will save you heartache in the future having that checked out now. Also, knowing where you buy from really helps. Make sure your source is reputable. You don't want to be buying from someone who bought it from somebody on Craigslist or eBay. You want to be buying from someone who checks the metal themselves before they ship it out to you. I hope this video has helped you understand the different color variations in gold coins and bars. Stay tuned for more videos covering gold and silver and how they will preserve your wealth in the future. Thank you all so much for watching Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.